G'day everyone, it's Aloe, and today I'm going to be sharing my general thoughts and opinions on Prehistoric Planet Season 1. I won't discuss the plots and such of the season for those who haven't seen it yet, but I'll discuss the broader points, like things that they did right and wrong throughout the entire show, and then post accuracy-based reviews on each individual episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of this kind of content. So, without any further ado, let's dig into it. Prehistoric Planet is a nature documentary released to Apple TV Plus in May 2022. Produced by the people of Blue Planet, it follows a similar format, choosing one specific biome per episode and jumping around Earth to said biome, taking place in the late Cretaceous. Directed by Jon Favreau and voiced by David Attenborough, I was already excited about the show when I found out that it was also scored by Hans Zimmer, and the main paleontological advisor was Darren Naish. This show was already set up for success, and it delivered. With 5 fantastic episodes, coasts, deserts, freshwater, ice worlds, and forests, you have almost 3.5 hours of dinosaur goodness. 3.5 hours! That's like a lot. The main idea of the show is to dispel common misconceptions about these magnificent animals, which they definitely succeeded in. People often forget that these were actual animals, not bloodthirsty movie monsters. Sorry, I got something in my throat. They got a lot of things right in this show. Like, they had lips on all the dinosaurs, because, lips are used to keep the teeth moist. And since most dinosaurs weren't aquatic, except for a few exceptions, they needed them to, so their teeth didn't dry out. And we even have fossil evidence of lips. Many dinosaurs have little holes just above their teeth in their skull, which are in modern day lizards used to, as attachment points for lip muscles. Hands are also positioned correctly for once, not facing backwards like in Jurassic Park, with broken wrists, but facing inwards as they should have. The pterosaur wing fingers also face backwards instead of inwards, because, that's also not very good for their hands. One thing that is a bit disappointing is that the wings are a bit pointy, where recent research has shown that pterosaur wings were in general more rounded. Pterosaurs are, however, covered in little pycnofibers, which they would have had, and we have fossil evidence. And they aren't even skinny, like they haven't eaten in 2 weeks. These animals are shredded in real life. They needed strong arms to fly. The feathering on the dinosaurs is also done very well. Downy covering on the dromaeosaurs, and shaggy feathers on the dinosaurs that should have shaggy feathers. The babies are also done exceptionally. They have much bigger heads and are in most cases chunkier than the adults. I personally really hope we get a season 2. The final line, which I obviously won't say for spoiler reasons, teases a potential second season. Also, it's only 5 episodes long. I know for sure I'd watch a dozen of these. One of the major complaints about this series is that it's only focused on the late Campanian and the Maastrichtian at the rear end of the Cretaceous. I really hope that in the future we get a Permian, Jurassic, and Paleogene season. So yeah, that's Prehistoric Planet for you. I highly recommend that you do watch it. Apple TV Plus has a free week subscription trial, so you can watch the whole show. You can easily watch it in a week. It's 5 episodes, so if you just do one a day, you can binge it in the weekend if you want to. And even if then, it's only $5. That's a third of the price of a movie ticket. So, go watch it. Take care of yourself. See you on the next video. Bye.